Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily install and run EXE files on your Android device safely and without root. And before we begin, you need to know that not every Windows program will work perfectly on Android, but with the right tools, many lightweight apps or utilities and even older games run surprisingly well. So first, we need the tool that makes this possible. So in 2025, the available options is the first one, Winlator. It is best for games app. Second one, XAGear for older apps or games, and the last one, Wine for Android for general EXE launcher. So go to the official website or GitHub page. Don't download random versions from unknown sites. And the next steps, this depends on the app that you pick, but the setup is simple. So let's say I'm going to use Winlator. So you can just search for it on your browser, Winlator download. You can get it from GitHub or maybe this winlator.org. So after you install or download the Winlator application, you can just open it and it will extract its environment. Then select a container, basically a mini Windows system, and after that choose the graphic settings, whether it's Adreno or Vulkan. It is a recommended one. And for Wine for Android, you need to also download it from the official website. This one, Wine HQ or GitHub again. So install the Wine APK here and open it, and you'll get a Windows-like desktop. This will include a file explorer and command prompt. And after that, you can just install your EXE app on game. So download your EXE file to your downloads folder. Open Winlator, Wine, or XAGear, depends on the apps that you use. And after that, navigate to the EXE file, tap it, and just like you will double click on Windows, if it's compatible, the installer will launch instantly. So once it's installed, you can launch the app or game inside the same tool. So for best performance, you need to use low graphics settings for games, and don't forget to also close background apps and make sure you have enough storage. And if it crashes, you need to try different EXE version. So that's how you install EXE apps and games on your Android device. It's very quick and simple. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And I'll see you in the next tutorial.